Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning marketing material for your jewelry business that will save you time and money. As we can see here, all of these images are high quality images taken from a free source and then just swapped out the products with my own products that I have found on Google. I'll show you the full workflow from start to finish, how to remove the watermark. If you can see here on the Gemini, they always come with a watermark, so I'll show you how to remove that fully for free. Different kind of marketing images, as you can see here are some with models, without models, and this is a Instagram post taken from Pandora. I've swapped out the product. Sketch to final product. If you look at this ring here, I made this ring fully from sketch and put it on a model as well. Tips and tricks, and I'll also explain the prompts and how to change them for your specific usage. For example, for necklaces, earrings, rings, etc. So here are some things that you can do with these marketing material. You can start building an email list before even starting to buy stock. You can validate your idea, start building a follower list, market your current jewelry business, and all of these images can be used for ads, social media posts, and website images. Let's go. So all the prompts that I'm using in this video, I will have in the description below. So just click that Google Docs link and you will have all the prompts, and I will also color mark the things that you need to change for the specific prompt. So it's as easy as possible to follow. So this prompt will work for any kind of model. As we can see here, all the purple text is the text that you will change. So if it's a necklace, you will change it to necklace, neck, necklace, neck. If it's a bracelet, you will change it to a bracelet, arm, wrist, usually wrist is the best, bracelet, wrist. And the aspect ratio you can change as well, right? To depending what kind of social media post you want to make. Okay guys, so first we'll be using the workflow with a model. So we'll be replacing the earring. As you can see here, I have a random product online, the prompt, Gemini, and here's some the outcome from the real to the AI one. Here we have another examples, and here we have another example where I swapped out the ring and necklace, and here we have the bracelet. So for this we'll be using this prompt. We just copy it, we go to Gemini, and in this example I'll be showing you a necklace instead of a earring, so I can show you what to change. So we'll download that. We copy the necklace. I took a random necklace online. So first we drag in the Unsplash image that's free to use. We copy in the necklace. And then we pick tool and create image. And we go to thinking. This is to use Nano Banana Pro, which is their best version at the moment. And then we need to change the prompt. So here the model's ear. We're not using earring, so with neck. Show the new necklace on the neck. So these things we need to change. And then here we have the aspect ratio. We'll be using 4:5 for this, but it depends. You can change it up. And 4K resolution for the best quality. And let's see what we get. Alright, so this is the image we get. As we can see, this is the new necklace. Let's see the old image. So next, we're going to download that. Now we're going to remove the watermark, so we don't have this thing here. So we download it. So now we're going to go to this website, Photopea. We're going to upload the image. As you can see here, we have the image I've created. You can see the watermark is here. So we'll be picking the lasso tool, hold it in, and then lasso select. And I'm not even going to be detailed with the deciding here, like you will see. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not even detailed, correct? And then we're going to go to edit, fill, press on foreground, and pick content aware. Then OK. That's it. No more watermark for the image that we created. Then we're going to export as PNG or JPEG, depends what you want. As we can see here, we have it. You can change the name to whatever you want and save it. I also wanted to show you this so you can save a lot of time. Let's say your image doesn't come out the way you want. Here, for example, sparkles. I don't want that. So either you can change something here and it will rerun the prompt, or if you don't want to change the prompt, then just press this button and it will create the same image again, the exactly same prompt. This is a very good way to save time. So here's another example that you can do. So just follow the exact workflow as for the model, right? I showed you before. But here is just download the image from Unsplash or any other site that uses high quality images. Take your product, use this prompt instead. As you can see here, I put it in Gemini, it's a little screenshot. And then here we have the result. As you can see, the watermark, to see that it's actually with Gemini. And it's a very, very good image. Then here are some more examples. Let's see, let's zoom in on the AI one. Here we have the shadow here, shadow here, shadow here. It's very, very good. Shadow here as well. And then another example. As you can see, shadows. It doesn't look like AI slop at all. Here is another example. So let's say you like to draw, you like to sketch your own jewelry. So here, this is a random image I found on Google. I made sure to make the details a little bit interesting. I wanted to see if it follows, like how thick it is. As you can see in this image, it's very thick here. So I took this, I used this prompt, and as you can see here, the purple is all that you want to change, right? The material, the petals in this, just change this to whatever details there are, right? As you can see here, I put it in Gemini, and here's the result I got. Even the thickness of it was the same. And then here I used the model workflow that I showed you. I put it on a model. And here I used another prompt to put it in a box. You probably shouldn't do this, but I just wanted to show you what you can also do. So this is Pandora. As you can see, 14K likes, etc. It's an Instagram post. I download it. Just search download Instagram photo and click one of those links if you actually want to do this. I found some random bracelets online. I used this prompt, so just the model prompt that I showed you earlier. And here you can see, even has the shadows like in this image. It's on the model's hand, exactly the same position. It's another use case for this if you want to go down that path. So I want to show you Unsplash as well. As you can see here, they are allowed to be used for free, commercial and non-commercials. We don't need to give any permissions, just download. I'll show you also, if you see this plus here, then you need to upgrade to Unsplash Plus. But there's so many images that you don't need. So any image that doesn't have this plus, you can just press it and download for free, right? So feel free to use any image from this website. I'll be creating a separate video in the future for this, but I just want to show you what you also can do for your brand. So I just made a random logo in Gemini. I picked on Color Hunt. It's a website for like colors that fit well together. I just picked some random colors, and then I created some brand kits in a few seconds. As you can see, it's pretty decent actually for making it one prompt. Here's the prompt, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching the video all the way until the end. I have some future videos coming, very interesting videos, a lot of different ideas from affiliate marketing to clothing. As you can see here, I'm just about to record the clothing video, and a lot of different ideas, AI influencers, logo, brand kits, social media posts fully with AI, stop motion AI videos. Yeah, it's a lot. So follow, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.